Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to post a private story on Snapchat. So how you're gonna do that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile icon here. If you click on the profile icon here, then in add to my story, you will find the two options. The first option is as new private story and the second one is as new shared story. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on new private story here. If you click on here, then they are saying choose who can view your private story, which means you can select which of your friends can see your private story. And if you do not want to see any of your friend to see your story, you can simply add a private story and you can select any of your friends that want to that will see your story. So I am going to select some of my friends. After that, if I click on create story, after that they are saying you have to name your story, so I am going to name it. After that, I am clicking on save. After that, if I click on save, then there will be two options. The first option is add to my story, which is the normal story, and the second one is private story. If you click on that, then anything you upload that in that story will be a private story and only that friends see that you have selected. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.